Hey y'all, it's Sunday evening and I'm going to make a tomato sandwich. We have all these tomatoes coming in from the garden and my counter's full of them. I've given them away. I'm going to make some tomato jam with them this week. But I'm going to make this tomato sandwich. I'm going to use Hawaiian pineapple, part of it, and part of it, this is purple calabash. Both of these are heirloom tomatoes. And so I'm going to kind of mix those tomatoes up in my sandwich. So what I have here is I've got my griddle going. Over here, let me move this. And I have some sourdough bread, butter. So I'll put the buttered side down on my griddle here. And I'm going to lay some pepper jack cheese on one side. And I'm going to put a thick slice of my Hawaiian pineapple on one side and a thick slice of my purple calabash on the other. A little bit more right there on the side there. And I put a little salt and pepper. Now some people like to add a little thin sliced onion. Could add just some meat, but this tomato sandwich, this is one of the joys of summer here in the South. To have a tomato sandwich. My friend, our preacher's mother, had been visiting, and they're from Ohio, and she told me, I gave them some tomatoes Wednesday evening at Bible class. I took them some tomatoes, and she told me this morning how good they were, and that she made her tomato sandwich. So I'm gonna make me one. She used pepper jack cheese. I thought that sounded good. I know some people make a caprese where you put fresh mozzarella cheese, tomato, and basil leaves. I've done that before. That's really good. But this one's a pepper jack. So just letting it, just going to let it grill here. And when I'm finished, on this side, I'm going to put some mayonnaise. And then I'm going to put my sandwich together and slice it and eat it. So I'll show you the finished product when it's, be back in a little bit. Okay, so our sandwich is done. I've put some mayonnaise on that part that's facing the tomatoes. And we're gonna, normally I would cut triangular. I'm gonna go across because most tomatoes are pretty slippery. And we're gonna just cut through this with a serrated knife. Make sure I go all the way through. Open that up. There's one where it's got both of them in there. Doesn't that look delicious? I can't wait to try it. So I hope that you make your tomato sandwich. Use whatever kind of bread you want, whatever kind of cheese you want. I want to eat some grain-free tortilla chips with no salt with it. Because potato chips, I can't have those right now. I'm really not supposed to have that bread, but I just wanted a tomato sandwich. So hope y'all have a good week. Our next event is on the way next week. The Saharan Sand will be here in South Texas. So get you some swim goggles. We'll have to wear our masks outside so we don't all get sick and then people think that we have the COVID. So y'all take care. Bye, y'all.